I don't think so. You take the next left. That's a freaking cliff, you crazy bitch. No. I'm still alright.
South on Ranch to Market Road.
Okay, whatever. Go for it, I
Okay.
guess. Okay, so it looks like we just went right on the loop, which is fine. It's all just a loop, but.
So where is this turn?
But yeah, I didn't see any other way to go.
Did it say turn left?
Well, it was time to turn left off the cliff. And look back around. I don't know. But, yeah, we're fine.
Well, I know we're fine. Jesus, this is impressive. Yeah, definitely more like Road to Hana. It's beautiful. Like I said, I'm not wrecking my car because I don't know where I'm going.
It's just nice scenic. It's
Yeah.
fun.
Jesus. Wow. Legit bush garden shit going on here.